In this video, I will show you how to connect Remixd to your local file system with the Remixd daemon Remixd. With this feature, you will be able to use the powerful features of Remixd while saving files on your computer. Let's dive in. In Remixd, your work can be stored in 3 locations. In the browser, that's the default. That's good for quick prototyping or learning, but you shouldn't use this for long-term storage because browser storage can be corrupted. Additionally, it's possible to push files to a GitHub repo. Finally, it's also possible to store files locally on your laptop with Remixd. Remixd creates a bridge between your local computer files and Remixd. Any change that you make in Remixd will be reflected on your hard drive and vice versa. To get started, you need to install Remixd. Remixd is a daemon process that runs on your computer. It's distributed as an NPM package, so first you need to install Node.js. Once Node.js is installed, open your terminal and install Remixd with this command. If you already have Remixd, make sure you have the latest version by uninstalling and reinstalling it. Now that Remixd is installed, let's connect it to a local directory. Navigate to the folder of your computer that you want to share with Remixd. For example, we are going to use this folder where I already have a smart contract. Once you are in your project folder, run the following command. The command starts the Remixd service and connects the current folder with Remixd. Only this folder will be shared and it will only be readable and writable from remix.ethereum.org. Now let's go to Remixd in the web browser. In the File Explorer hamburger menu, select the option Connect to Local File System. Since the Remixd service is already running on your laptop, the Remixd IDE will prompt you to connect to your local file system. Click OK to allow the connection. You'll see your local files appear in the Remixd File Explorer. Once you've connected, any change that you make in Remixd will be reflected in your local file system. For example, let's make some change in the smart contract. Now let's check out the file in our local file system and we can see that the change has been reflected. Before we go further, it's important to note that Remixd will make your local files in a specific folder accessible to Remixd as long as the connection is active. For security reasons, keep Remixd open only when you're actively working with Remixd. Also, avoid sharing sensitive files that don't relate to your smart contracts in the folder you connect to Remixd. Now let's compile and deploy a contract stored on our local directory. This is exactly the same procedure as with files that are only in Remixd. First, you go to the Compile tab and you click on Compile. Then you go to the Deploy tab and you click on Deploy. And that's it. When you're done, it's a good practice to disconnect Remixd. Simply go back to your terminal and press Ctrl+C to stop the Remixd server. This will end the connection to your local file system. And that's it. We've covered everything you need to know about using Remixd to link your local file with Remixd. This tool makes it easier to work on larger projects stored locally while taking advantage of Remixd's powerful smart contract features. That's it for this video.